like one who is led to judgment, who is accused of a small offense, and is not much loved in the court, and could easily escape by fleeing, but knows himself guilty of so little wrong that he does not wish to flee, but goes there fearful. Thus love has placed me in such a place where right does not help me, nor dare I cry mercy, nor am I at all powerful to flee. If I were loyally maintained and judged in your court, the wrong I have done you would be called right, for I can well excuse myself by oath. So you have no guarantor against me, that I ever failed courteous and worthy lady, except that I love you and everything that is yours, and because I dare to speak great good of you in many rich places. Here are all the wrongs, lady, that I have toward you. For such a wrong you can long wish me great ill, lady, but know well that I would rather you forgive me by speaking well, than that you gain a village or slanderers by it. For all the deeds of love are pleasing, and since it is vile and envious, for in love there is no rent nor tax. He can love, but he has nothing of love if all his deeds and words are not loving, not loving. Love truly does well to honor, for there is no power so rich in the world that it does not do all his will, and all that he does is very good and pleasing. And God placed great teaching in it when he wished that everything be measure and reason, sense and folly, as long as it pleased love. And rank neither gave nor took anything away, as long as true love placed itself in both. Good lady, do not believe the base people that I made two halves of myself from my heart, which is changed into you. For in one single place I always have my intention, and know well that he who intends in two places is nothing but a foolish wanton. And I never at any time liked such foolishness, nor such desire. Rather I have loved faithfully, as a true lover ought to do, without a treacherous heart. I praise love well for giving me desire, for her in whom are worth and sense and beauty, teaching, knowledge and solace. Nothing is lacking there, except that mercy does not take hold of her for me, so that she looks at me smiling and makes a semblance of a beautiful response. With that alone I would be joyful and sure, and I would never want less than 23 thereafter. The rest would be at her beautiful pleasure. To the worthy Count of Angoulême I wish wish for a throne. That Lunal and Aragos do not fail me.